Learn opposite words. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos. High, low, high, low. Day, night, day, night. Young, old, young, old. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Untidy, tidy, untidy, tidy. Sharp, blunt, sharp, blunt. Full, empty, full, empty. Laugh, cry, laugh, cry. Thin, fat, thin, fat. Daughter, son, daughter, son. Straight, curly, straight, curly. Happy, sad, happy, sad. Boy, girl, boy, girl. Front, back, front, back. Quiet, noisy, quiet, noisy. Small, big, small, big. Short, tall, short, tall. Fast, slow, fast, slow. Dirty, clean, dirty, clean. Heavy, light, heavy, light. Dry, wet, dry, wet. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.